सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। Chapter 17, verse number 26. सद्भावे साधुभावे च सदित्येतत् प्रयुज्यते प्रशस्ते कर्मणि तथा सच्छब्दः पार्थयुज्यते। For this 17th chapter, the source is 16th chapter, last verse. Tasmat shastram pramanante karya karyo vyavasthitau. Shastram alone must be the pramanam to perform yajna dana tapah karma natyajyam. One should perform yajnam, danam and tapas. Yajna means rituals, either shrauta karma or smarta karma. Danam means charity. One should perform lifelong. Then tapas, austerity, disciplines to be followed. Yajna, dana, tapah, karma. Karma means to be done all these in one's own life. And ahara niyama also Lord Krishna has pointed out in this 17th chapter. Having talked about these yajna, dana, tapah, karma at 3 levels, Shraddha is very, very important in performing these 3 yajna, dana, tapah, karma. This Shraddha also based on 3 gunas: Sattva guna, Rajo guna, Tamo guna. Based on their own swabhava, one person likes one type of ritual, in one method. Different motives are also based on their guna. Therefore, never raise your eyebrows when any person doing any karma or rituals, austerities, danam, from their own standpoint they are doing. It shows it's their swabhava. According to their swabhava, gunas, they perform. Therefore, let them perform. They are performing something. Okay? That itself, we have to appreciate. Then, having talked about these 3 types of yajna, dana, tapas at 3 levels, Lord Krishna concluding, any action, any tapas, any charity, if there is a drawback, mantra lope, tantra lope, kriya lope, kala lope, niyama lope, shraddha lope, suppose if we perform Devi Navaratri without proper mantra, without a proper knowledge about that rituals, Devi Upasana, anything if we do, Shraddha is not there. Suppose Shraddha lope, Kriya lope, we have not done properly. Suppose some people just keep that Bommala Kolu. It is like a show. They keep that. But they do not know we have to keep Kalasham there. We have to do that Avahanam that day. Every day we have to do Naivedyam there. and last day we have to again, a lot of rituals are there. They do not know. Many people, they keep just like a show also. Some people do orthodox way in religious manner. They do every day arati, every day puja, every day naivedyam. They do. Some people want to do kriya lope, mantra lope. Some people do not know mantram at all. Finally, shraddha lope, not trying to know the that what is the procedure, just like that they do. When they commit so many mistakes when they are performing like this, won't they get any papam? This is the question. That's why people are afraid of performing lot of rituals, dhanam and all. In the dhanam panna enna papam varumo venda, they leave it. And if I do this ritual, this type of puja, this type of deity if I keep in my house, suppose if I don't do abhishekam and all, that God may curse me. This type of fear. That's why they stop even that puja also. Like this, they have lot of fear inside. Bhagavan says, don't worry, perform, but don't stop. Karyameva tat. பண்ண வேண்டியது பண்ணிதான் ஆகணும். ஏதாவது குறை இருந்தா கூட பரவாயில்ல, ஓம் தத் சத்ன்னு சொல்லிடு. ஓம் தத் சத். ஆஃப்டர் ஃபினிஷிங் கிருஷ்ணார்ப்பணம் அஸ்து, சிவார்ப்பணம் அஸ்து நம்ம எப்படி சொல்கிறோம்? இப்போ லார்டு கிருஷ்ணா, லைக் அவர் கிருஷ்ணார்ப்பணம், சிவார்ப்பணம், லார்டு கிருஷ்ணா யூஸ் another term, that's all. ஓம் தத் சத். If you say Om Tat Sat, all the doshas will go away. No papam will come to you. You need not worry about that process, what you are doing. But one condition, do with Shraddha. Mantra lope, tantra lope, kriya lope, kala lope. Sometimes some people do certain type of rituals, they are not following the kala. Any ritual, dhanam also, kala you have to follow. Proper time you have to follow. Kala lope. Niyamam you have to follow. Niyamam also some people won't follow. Doesn't matter. But at least have Shraddha, Bhagavan says. Finally he is going to conclude, but do with Shraddha. And say Om Tat Sat. Om we saw what is the significance of Om. And Tat also we saw in the last class. The Sat. Om Tat Sat, the third word we are seeing. Sat means what? I don't want to explain what is Om, what is Tat again. Okay. Sadbhaven. Sat means here is three meanings he is giving. 5 meanings he is going to give in this shloka and the next shloka. Totally 5 meanings. Sadbhave, sadhubhave cha, sat iti etat vichyate. Sat iti etat. The word sat, English if you write sat, I don't. S-A-T, sat. If you write sad, S-A-D, sad, I don't. Okay. Jagrata eludungo. Sat. Prayujyate. They employ, sat word they employ, Om Tat Sat. And the sat means sadbhavaha, sadbhave. Bhave in the sense of, in the meaning of existence. Sadbhave in the meaning of existence. Sadhubhave in the meaning of, or with reference to, a righteous life, goodness, morality, dharmikatvam is called sadhu bhavaha. That's why a saint is also called sadhu. தமிழ்ல சாது கிடையாது. ஓகே, தமிழ்ல சாதுவன்னா ஒன்றும் தெரியாதுன்னு அர்த்தம். ரொம்ப சாது பாவம் அவன் என்ன, அந்த மாதிரி அர்த்தம் இல்லை. சாது மீன்ஸ் a noble person, the one who follows dharma is a sadhu. Sadhu bhavaha. Here that is goodness, abstract noun. Reference to the righteous life, dharmikatvam. Then tatha, not only that, further, sat shabdaha prashaste karmani yujyate. The word sat is used with reference to prasaste karmani, third meaning, in the sense of good action. Yujyate means or prayujyate is used or employed. The word sat is used or employed with reference to the sense of good action or reference to sanctifying the karma. To sanctify their actions or any karma, they say Om Tat Sat. And the Sat meaning is this. He Partha, O Arjuna. Here, an important note we have to understand. Sat means takarantaha pumlingaha sat shabdaha. San santau santaha is the meaning. San santau santaha. Strilingam sati. Strilingam. Sat is again napumsakalingam. Here, sat means three meanings we can take: philosophical meaning and empirical meaning. That's why Sant. Sant means a sadhu. In North India and all, they call Tukaram, Sant Tukaram. Sant, there are so many sants. Sadhu Sant, Sadhu Log, Sant Log they call. Sant, from where it came, and Satlanda Sant came. That's Sat. Here we can take philosophical meaning first. Here Lord Krishna points out an empirical sense. Empirical means vyavaharika artha. What it means? The word Sat is used in the sense of existence, he said. Existence in the sense easiness. Easiness, irupudal. Irupudal anartha. Irukku anartha. So flower is. You say flower is. So that flower is, that easiness associated with an object. Easiness associated with an object. Attribute. So easiness as an attribute. What type of flower? Flower is. Irukkur flower. Flower is what? Noun. Is what? Attribute, adjective. எப்படிப்பட்ட ஃப்ளவர்னா இருக்கிற ஃப்ளவர்னு அர்த்தம். The flower is. You can take easiness as an attribute also, adjective. Flower is noun. So clip is, desk is, mic is. This easiness which is associated with an object is called empirical existence. Empirical existence. That E you can write a small e. It is a small e. If you dissociate this easiness without object, if you dissociate the easiness from the object, that easiness, existence without any object, suppose it is there. You cannot see any easiness without object. Isn't it? Easiness go along with the object all the time. So flower is, clip is, desk is, but that objects are changing, easiness is not changing. That non-changing easiness, if you keep all objects aside, just to take only easiness, that is existence, is capital E. That is Sat. That is Sat. The whole Chandogya Upanishad, the main chapter is Sadvidya. This Sat, capital E existence, anartham. which is called absolute existence with a capital E. So scriptures talk about empirical existence and absolute existence. The Tatparyam is only in absolute existence. Without absolute existence, these objects cannot exist. Without easiness, try to speak. You cannot speak. We never notice it, really speaking. Therefore, in another class, I said this pot is, when we say pot is noun, easiness is an attribute, adjective. Really speaking, pot is clay pot. We say that easiness is the noun. Potty clay. Potty clay or clay pot. What do you say? Clay pot or potty clay? Clay pot is not correct. Potty clay alone is correct. Pot is, clay is. Now this, take out this easiness. Transact with this pot. Take out the easiness. You cannot talk about. Ocean is, pot is, moon is, light is, sun is. That easiness continues. This is called Satyam Gnanam Anantam Brahmala Sat. In Brihadaranyaka Ajatashatru Brahmanam we saw Satyasya Satyam. Satyasya Satya means idhula irupudal irukku. Pot is, flower is. This is Satyam, empirical Satyam. Okay? Idhukku Satyathukku Satyam enna? இந்த பொருள் இருக்குன்னு சொல்றதுக்கு வாட் இஸ் த சோர்ஸ்? என்ன? ஒரிஜினல் பிரம்மன், சத்தியம், கான்ஷியஸ்னஸ். ஸோ தட் சத்தியம் கொஞ்சம் அப்ஸ்ட்ராக்டாக இருக்கும். ஓகே, சப்ஜெக்ட் புரியறது கஷ்டமாக இருக்கும், ஆனாலும் கொஞ்சம் முள்ளமாக புரியும். ஓகே, திஸ் இஸ் த அப்சல்யூட் ட்ரூத் வித் கேபிட்டல் இ. தட் அதர்வைஸ் இட் இஸ் கால்ட் சத்தியம் ஞானம் அனந்தம் பிரம்ம. This pure existence means is the number one meaning this is. Secondary meaning only existence, easiness, amness. All these are all helping verbs they call it. No? Helping verb is borrowed from the original existence. So very, very, very mind-boggling the topic this is. இது விஷயம் புரியறதுக்கு ஒரு 10 வருஷம் சாஸ்திரம்ல ஊறணும். ஆமாம், ஊறுகாயில் எப்படி அந்த மாங்காய் பீஸ் ஊறணுமோ அந்த மாதிரி ஊறணும். அப்போ ஊறினாத இந்த ஷிஃப்ட் வில் டேக் பிளேஸ். அதனால டோன்ட் கிவ் அப் சாஸ்திரா. ஓகே, அன்டில் யூ கெட் தட் அசிமிலேஷன் யூ ஹாவ் டு ஹோல்ட் ஆன் டு சாஸ்திரா. அதுதான் சத்தியம். நமக்கு புரியலன்னு சொல்லி சத்தியம் பொய் ஆக முடியாது இல்லையா? பொய்ன்னு சத்தியமாக புரிஞ்சுக்கிறதுக்கு நம்ம கன்வெர்ட் பண்ணிக்கணும் நம்ம மைண்ட் செட். அந்த சாது ஹியர் சத்பாவம் மீன்ஸ் ஹியர் ரிலேட்டிவ் எக்ஸிஸ்டன்ஸ். த பிரைமரி மீனிங் இஸ் தட் சத் சத்யம் ஞானம் அனந்தம் பிரம்மா. நெக்ஸ்ட் ஸ்லோகா we will read. So Sat Brahma is that absolute sense. Sat Purushaha means what? Sat Purushaha means a Purusha who knows about that Sat Brahman is called Sat Purushaha. Otherwise நம்ம ஆளு நம்ம வீட்டில் இருக்காரு, நம்ம புருஷர் ஆயிடுவார். இவர் சத் புருஷான்னு கூப்பிட முடியாது. ஆல் பீப்புள் யூ கேனாட் கால் சத் புருஷா. உங்கள் புருஷன் இருக்காரான்னு கேட்பாரு. இருக்காரே என்ன, அவருக்கு சாஸ்திரம் பற்றி ஒன்றும் தெரியாது, சுத்தம். Therefore we cannot call them as Satpurusha. Purusha, but not Satpurusha. Satpurusha is one who has assimilated the Sat Brahman as himself. Satpurusha. What about Stri Swamini Anna? Sat Stri and சொல்லுக்கோங்களே, சதி ஸ்திரீ என்ன, That is why Satina, Sati Savitrina, Sati Sakkubai. So many people and ladies are there, no? Sati, Sati and Varam. That Sati is called Strilingam of Sat. Stri kuda irukke. Okay. Satina. Sati and anartham. The one who, by her pativratyam, the one who has acquired that knowledge, highest knowledge, like Satyavan Savitri. So Satyavan Savitri is Sati Savitri because she is the one who recognized that Satyam Jnanam Anantam Brahma. That is why she is called Satina. That's why every Pativrata is called Sati, every Sati is called Pativrata. Why? Because they see the Atma Swarupam in everything. Adinalada Patiye Daivam. Puriyarada ippo? You have to travel a long distance. Patiye Daivam ennartham. Pati is Chaitanyam, Atma Swarupam. She looks at him like not ordinary body. That's why still they are alive like stars, no? Achandra Tararkam, Sati Savitri continues. Achandra Tararkam, Sati Sakkubai continues. So many people, ladies, continue because they have recognized by just that Shraddha. That's why Indian women, Indian marriage system, we have to study thoroughly. This weekly magazines ella padicha onnume varadu. Irukra value kuda poidum. Bharata Nari enna, the one who knows the depth of Shastra. That's why husband is supposed to teach whole Shastra to her and she has to get Jnanam. Like Yajnavalkya Maitreyi Madri. Romba solladunga Swamini, romba disappoint ayirukum. Don't feel, just I have to share with you. Where can I share other than this place? No. Therefore, I want to share with you. Anyhow, now Sat Brahma, Sat Purushaha, Sat Karma. 3 meanings he has given here. First meaning is Sat Brahma. Second meaning is associated with object. Unassociated with object is called Sat Brahma alone. And it is associated with object also. What? That Sat is Brahman. Sat Brahma. Whether it is associated with object or not associated with object, doesn't matter, but it is Sat Brahma. But a person who is endowed with Dharma is called Sat Purushaha. Second meaning. Sadhu Bhavecha. Second meaning. Sadbhava is the first meaning, Sat Brahma. Sadhu Bhava is the second meaning, Sat Purushaha. Then comes Prashaste Karmani Yujyate, that is Sat Karma. So Sat Karma, one has to do Sat Karma, means good actions. By doing good actions slowly, you become a Sat Purushaha. By becoming Sat Purushaha, you become Sat Brahma Swarupam. Karmalone tagararirandanna enge Sadbrahma varaporadhu enna. That's why do good actions. Sat karma pannu. Tappana karma pannade ennu solradhu Shastram. Next, 4th and 5th meaning we see in the next shloka. Shloka number 27. Yagne tapasi dane cha Sthiti saditi chochyate Karma chaiva tadarthiyam Sadityeva abhidhiyate. So the whole Om Tat Sat is only meant for Karmanam Sadgunya Prapyartham. Om Tat Sat, why we utter? Karmanam Sadgunya Prapyartham. Means this chanting for as a religious sadhanas. We chant Om Tat Sat as a sadhana to purify our mind, our actions as a sadgunya means to bring a sanctification, sanctity in artham, sadgunyam, sadhanartham, to accomplish. It is a means. Om Tat Sat. அப்படின்னு சொல்லி எல்லாமே எப்படியாவது பண்ணட்டும், ஓம் தத் சத் சொல்லி முடிக்கலாமని பண்ணக்கூடாது. பகவான் கிருஷ்ணர் சொன்னார், ஓம் தத் சத் வா எப்படியாவது பண்ணணும் பரவாயில்லன்னு. எல்லாத்துக்குமே பகவான் சொல்லிட்டாரு, பத்திரம் புஷ்பம் பலம் தோய் எல்லாத்துக்குமே அவ்வளோதான். அக்ஷதாம் சமர்ப்பயாமி அக்ஷதாம் சமர்ப்பயாமி அப்படியெல்லாம் பண்ணக்கூடாது. In rare cases, unavoidable conditions you are not able to do. Suppose that time only you have to use it. அதுக்கு பகவானுக்கு தெரியாத என்ன, நம்ம மனசுல என்ன தாட் இருக்குன்னு யாருக்கு தெரியும்? பகவானுக்கு நல்லா தெரியும், நல்லா தெரியும் பகவானுக்கு. அதனால you cannot escape from God. Therefore, now in this shloka, yajne tapasi dane cha sthitihi. Now sthitihi is the fourth meaning. In yajna, yajne means saptami vibhakti, seventh case. In yajna, any mundane activities with reference to any ritual, even mundane activities connected to God. Connected to God. Cleaning the temple. You see that Gurudwaras and all, those people, group of people come and serve the bhaktas, volunteers, and they give prasadam, they give water, they clean, and they keep their chappals, shoes and all, and spreading the carpets, putting chairs and removing all of them. Even if you are doing that work here, you are doing that only. Okay? Yagne, what? That's what Lord Krishna says, sthitihi. Sthitihi, again, the meaning is steadfastness. Nischayena sthitihi. Nishtha, dhritihi. Perseverance, commitment. In any good action. Commitment in any good action. Okay? The temple முன்னாடி கோலம் போடுறது, ரதம் வரும்போது நம்ம வாசல்ல கோலம் போடுறது, இது என்ன குட் ஆக்ஷன், கமிட்மெண்ட். அவர் வரார் என்ன, யார் என்ன, அவரா பெருமாள் வரார் என்ன, சிவன் வரார் என்ன. ஸோ யூ கிளீன் யுவர் வாசல்னா அது என்னென்ன குட் ஆக்ஷன், கனெக்டட் டு வாட்? பகவான். ஸோ ஈவன் யூ ஆர் சர்விங் இன் யுவர் ஃபேமிலி ஆல்சோ இட் இஸ் எ குட் ஆக்ஷன் இஃப் யூ ஆர் டூயிங். For the children's sake, it is also commitment you have. But connected to what? Bhagavan. Ella Bhagavan connect pannam. Even if you come here, do any service comes under this only. Okay. Any service you do in the class. Why? Because the discourse, the lecture is going on with regard to that Bhagavan. So whatever required here, connected to that, any action, it is not a religious Shrauta karma. What? Keeping mic, putting desk, folding the carpets, putting chairs is not religious karma. It is not Srauta karma. Even not a Smartha karma also. But minimum mundane social service activity. But your mind is connected what? This is a divine. The bhavana is there. Bhagavanukku connection irukra oru action idu. Illiyo? Adunala you can come early also, you can serve, so that you are developing a type of chitta shuddhi, sadhanam, sadgunya prapyartham, chitta shuddhi prapyartham. அதனால once in a while we also can do service. அது ஏதோ வாலண்டியர்ஸ் அப்படியே பண்ணணும்னு கிடையாது. ஓகே, தட்ஸ் வை வாலண்டியர் ஒர்க் இஸ் நாட் ஆர்டினரி ஒர்க். வாலண்டியர் ஒர்க்குன்னா இட் இஸ் எ ப்ரிவிலேஜ். It's an opportunity, because it's an opportunity for me to grow mentally, emotionally. So that opportunity won't come easily, isn't it? என்ன சுவாமி ரொம்ப கஷ்டப்படணும், முன்னாடி வரணும் கிளாஸுக்கு. என்னன்னா யூசி நான் சொல்லலை, பகவானே சொல்றாரு பாருங்க. Steadfastness in yajna, in any yajna. Tapasi, in austerity, with reference to discipline, with reference to dhanam, when you have commitment. Some giving dhanam, charity is also a commitment should be required. Appo ayano dhanam madri pannakoodadu. I will come, I will give, I will do ன்னு சொல்லிட்டு போகாமல் இருக்கிறது, கொடுக்காமல் இருக்கிறது, அப்படி இருக்கக்கூடாது. மரி தோஷம் அது. அதனால கமிட்மெண்ட் இருக்கணும், பர்சிவியரன்ஸ் இருக்கணும். ஒன்ஸ் ஐ சே ஐ டூ, ஐ வில் டூ. எனி ஆக்ஷன் when you are doing there is a கஷ்டம். கஷ்டம் இல்லாமல் எதுவுமே கிடையாது. There is a difficulty, but I take it as a pleasure. It is not a difficulty for me. Just mental attitude this is. Mental attitude. Therefore, once you start serving to children, family, to God, without any expecting in return, really you grow spiritually faster and faster. But unfortunately, we expect in return either recognition or appreciation or name, fame, so many things we expect. That's why we grow very slowly. We grow very slowly. The more you do yajna, dana, tapa, karma, the more exposure you get. The more exposure you get, the more mistakes come out. The more errors, mistakes come out, the more correction take place. The more correction take place, the more maturity comes. The more maturity comes, the more spiritual growth take place. போதுமா? இதெல்லாம் கனெக்ஷன் இருக்கு, நமக்கு தெரியாது இது எல்லாமே. We just take it as though gradually. But each word of each word of Lord Krishna is $1 billion worth. We should not casually push away any word. அதில் ஆழமா பார்க்கறதுக்கு நமக்கு சக்தி வேணும். மென்டல் கேலிபர் இஸ் ரிக்வயர்டு. கேஷுவலாகவும் கேட்கலாம். ஓகே, சிம்பிள் அப்படியே பெரிஃபரல்லாக மேலே மேலேயா போய் கேட்கலாம். பகவத்கீதா முடிச்சாச்சு, பகவத்கீதா என்ன முடிச்சாச்சு, அவ்வளோதான். ஏன்னா 18th சாப்டர் வரப்போகிறோம். We are going to finish தான். But where am I standing? What is my level of understanding? What transformation I have got? எல்லாம் இன்ஃபர்மேஷனேனா ஏதாவது கொஞ்சம் டிரான்ஸ்ஃபர்மேஷன் இருக்கா கொஸ்டின் பண்ணிக்கணும். அதுக்கு தான் பகவான் ஸ்ரத்தா சொல்றார். So commitment is required while doing yajnam, while doing tapas, while doing dhanam. All this comes under sat sthitihi. Fourth meaning is called sthitihi. Commitment in good action is called sthitihi. Then fifth meaning, it is also termed as sat. Again, karma eva tadarthiyam eva cha abhidhiyate. Tadarthiyam means for the sake of Lord. Tat means what? Paramatma. Om Tat Sat. Tadarthiyam. அவருக்காக நான் ஏன் பண்றேன்? பகவானுக்காக பண்றேன். Never take only going to temple is only for Bhagavan's that work I am doing, temple or puja, upasana, only connected to Bhagavan. All other actions I don't like at all. Therefore I want to do pradashanam continuously all the time. Some ladies, they even give up their family duties and go on seeing that what temple la edavadhu nadandadana vittittavathu poiduvan. That's why you have to listen that story of that lady when this Kaushika Maharshi went and asked, I am feeling hungry, please give me bhiksha. She didn't come, that lady, from the house inside. ரொம்ப நேரமாக அவர் கேட்டுட்டே இருக்கார், பிக்ஷை கொடு பிக்ஷை கொடு. இந்த அம்மா வரவே இல்லை. And after a long time she came out with that bhiksha and to offer him. He said, I don't want. You made so too late, too delay. You don't know how to respect a sadhu. He is so angry, and she said, I am not like a crane to burn by your anger. She said. இந்த ஸ்டோரி தெரியுமோ? தெரியும்னு நினைக்கிறேன். that crane bird, he burnt by his own vision. The Kaushika Maharshi is called Durvasa. I am not a bird like that bird to burn by your eye vision. அவருக்கு ஒரு ஆச்சரியம், இந்த அம்மாக்கு எట్లా தெரியும் நான் அது பண்ணதனி. And she said, why I didn't come, I am taking care of my husband. I have to do my duty first. My husband is there inside. So after finishing that job only I can come and serve you. She said, அவருக்கு அப்படியே செக்கர், what is this lady, so much knowledgeable person. And she said, you go to that Dharmavyadha. You go to that Dharmavyadha. Again he went to Dharmavyadha. Dharmavyadha also asked immediately, that lady sent you? அவருக்கு தெரிஞ்சு போச்சு. இங்கிருந்து அங்கே போன உடனே அவர் கேட்டார், உனக்கு she only sent you ன்னா, உனக்கு எப்படி தெரியும்னா, எனக்கு தெரியும் சொன்னார். So that Dharmavada is a butcher, selling mamsam every day. That butcher, in his house, the parrot is inviting the Mahatmas, Vango, Vango, Vango. The parrots are talking in his house. That butcher is also taking care of his old parents, but why he is called Dharmavyadha? Therefore, never take religious duties, mundane activities, never look down upon your family duties. When you are taking care of your elders, grandmother or mother-in-law, father-in-law or father or mother, anybody you are taking care of God. ரொம்ப கஷ்டம் இது அசிமுலேட் பண்றது, ரொம்ப கஷ்டம். You are taking God because whether they recognize you or not, they appreciate you or not, this karma, what service you are doing, the phalam will never go waste. It will never go. One way or other that punya phalam will come to you, bound to come. In what way it comes, you do not know. Nobody knows except Bhagavan. Therefore, with that commitment only you have to do. With that commitment you serve. Whatever may be the person, whoever, my duty I am doing, that's all. And the phalam எப்படியாவது ஏதோ ரூபத்தில் வந்துதான் ஆகணும், வந்துதான் தீரும். அது நோ டவுட் இன் தட். அப்படி நினைச்சு பண்ணிட்டான்னா நமக்கு எவ்வளோ சித்த சுத்தி, எவ்வளோ நிம்மதி, எவ்வளோ ஆனந்தம், எவ்வளோ சந்தோஷம் வரும். அதுதான் பகவான் கிருஷ்ணர் இவ்வளோ சொல்றாரு. எல்லாம் வீட்டு வேலை பண்ணினே இருக்கணும். ஏன் வீட்டு வேலை பண்ணணும்? என்ன பண்ண போறேன்? ஆஃபீஸ் வேலை தான் பண்ண போறேன். ஆஃபீஸ் வேலை மட்டுமே இல்லை, வீட்டு வேலை, அது மேலே என்ன அதுக்கு பெருமை இருக்கு தெரியுமா? A grihini can become a gnani. A grihastha can become a gnani. You need not become a sannyasi. Mind is very, very important. Pure mind with shraddha. Tadarthiyam. அதான் சொல்றேன். ஏன் சொல்லுவார் என்ன? Tadarthiyam. While cooking also, this is for what? Bhagavan. Why? I am feeding my family members who are none other than Atma Swarupam. Therefore, this whole Virat Swarupam, Bhagavan's creation, in this creation, whatever I am offering to whom, that goes to Bhagavan. Tadarthiyam, for the sake of Lord. Puja punaskaramla ella Bhagavanukku theriyum. But what about other actions? That's why we get disturbance, boredom, or tiredness in these duties. அதுக்காக எங்கெங்க ஓடி போகலாம், வெளியில் ஓடி போகலான்னு தப்பாக நினச்சிக்காதீங்க. ஓடி போகலான்னா என்ன, கொஞ்சம் வீட்டு விட்டுட்டு டெம்பிளுக்கு ஆகுது, நல்ல கதைக்கு ஆகுது போகலான்னு தோணும். ஏன்னா we look down upon our family duties. அதையும் வேணும், இதையும் வேணும். Then only you are the ideal housewife, ideal husband, ideal wife. Then only, not by just skipping away or relinquishing the family duties, you can never attain moksha. Remember, you cannot relinquishing the duties, taking sannyasa, going away, ashramas and ashramas won't work out. Okay, ee shramam poi ashramam undudu. Okay, tadarthiyam abhidhiyate. Indeed, they said as to be sat, This is the fifth meaning. Serving, that's why Shravana Kumar served his old blind parents. Till today we remember that Shravana Kumar. So how great people, know, they've undergone so many pains, sufferings, but they stick to their commitment, the values and all. Because of that, they became so great Mahapurushas. Therefore, let us keep always that Sat Karma, Sat Bhavana, Sat Brahman in the mind whenever you are doing. So that time you feel so happy, whatever you are doing, you never feel tiredness. Not only that, on the other hand, you do in a better way. You do in a better way and you enjoy also and you feel more energetic. Iti sat karma. Tadarthiyam karma abhidhiyate. Again, any action for the sake of the Lord is indeed abhidhiyate eva. Iti sat, that is called sat. So, sat karma and sthitihi, in that commitment, in that action. Next shloka. Another shloka we used to listen, no? Mantre tirthe dvije deve daivagne bheshajam gurau yadrishi shraddha esya tadrishi siddhir bhavati. Tasya anartham. That mantra only, Bhagavan, that mantra shloka based on this shloka. Now 28th shloka. Ashraddhaya hutam dattam tapastaptam krutam chayat asadityuchyate partham na cha tat pretya no iha. The essence of this verse is, any Shrauta karma or Smarta karma, any mundane activities also, if you do with Shraddha, you get immense benefit. With Shraddha, faith, with all these 5 points in the mind. What is 26th and 27th shloka? 5 points manasula vechindi, Shraddhayoda panna, immense benefit comes. If we don't have Shraddha, there is no benefit either in this Janma or even future Janmas also. You are the loser. That's what Lord Krishna says. Ashraddhaya hutam dattam tapaha taptam. Now he is putting in that yajna, danam, tapam in this format. Ashraddhaya, you have to supply to every word, each word. Ashraddhaya hrutam, ashraddhaya dattam, ashraddhaya taptam. Ashraddhaya hutam yajnaha, ashraddhaya dattam danam, ashraddhaya taptam tapaha. That means what? Whatever is offered as oblation in the yajna, hutam, oblation. How? Ashraddhaya. Without Shraddha in that mantra, without Shraddha in that karma, without Shraddha a person does. Then Ashraddhaya dattam. Without Shraddha, if he gives danam. And the danamla Shraddha illamale, bhakti illamale kudutanna, what will happen? Ashraddhaya taptam. Any vratam, ekadashi vratam, dvadashi vratam, upavasa, maunam, any sort of spiritual discipline, religious discipline, if you follow without Shraddha, Ashraddhaya taptam, all of them, kritam means all what you have done as worship, without Shraddha, Ashraddhaya means without faith, it is said to be asat. Shraddhaya means sat. What is Ashraddhaya? Sat opposite asat. அது பொய்யாகும். நீங்கள் பண்ணுற கர்மாக்களுடைய phalam kadikadu అని అర్థం. అసత్ that which does not serve the purpose అని అర్థం. It is as good as not done అని అర్థం. అసత్ అన్న ఇట్ ఈస్ యాజ్ గుడ్ యాజ్ నాట్ డన్. కష్టపడి పాప ఉపవాసం இருந்தாడు, என்ன பிரயோஜனம்? வேஸ்ட் అని అర్థం. యజ్ఞం பண்ணிட்டோம், அந்த ஹோமம் இந்த ஹோமம் ஏதோ பண்ணி கோயிலுக்கு போய் சுற்றி பிரதட்சணம் பண்ணி எல்லாம் ஸ்ரத்த இல்லை, அப்போ என்ன பிரயோஜனம்? நோ யூஸ்ன்னு அர்த்தம். பன்னீர் ஆஷில் ஊற்றுன மாதிரி, பன்னீர் போய் ஆஷில் ஊற்றினா என்ன பிரயோஜனம்? வாசனை வரும். அது மாதிரி ஆல் அவர் கர்மாஸ் ஆர் கோயிங் டு பியர் வேஸ்ட்ன்னு அர்த்தம். This is the meaning of this. Tat na iha na cha pretya. It cannot fructify neither here nor after death, after the fall of the body. You cannot carry any punya, you cannot get iha phalam or paraloka phalam. ரெண்டும் கெட்டான்னு சொல்லுவான் இல்லையா, இங்கேயும் கிடையாது அங்கேயும் வராது பெனிஃபிட் என்ன அர்த்தம். That's why be religious all the time. Now they have done lot of research. They are telling in America somewhere whatever they do no research ella ange da pannuva. Okay, people those who are leading a religious life, God, those who are having tremendous faith in God, they are recovering from diseases, ailments fast. And those who are not having nastikas, they are recovering very, very slowly. They have observed this. That's why imagination is better. Bhagavan is there. God is there or not, doesn't matter. I imagine Bhagavan is there. Imagine will does wonders. I will tell you. Imagination itself will work. God is there. Whether you see or not, doesn't matter. Nobody is there to prove God, doesn't matter. I believe in God. I trust in God. That trust, that imagination itself gives a mental strength, emotional support. Tremendous strength I can draw from Bhagavan. Bhagavan, you are there. You just protect me. Take care of me. Imagine. Be religious. That's why in our children nowadays, youngsters, why this IT sector, young generations who are all working in software industries, maximum are not having the God faith, God fear. This religious life is totally coming down. Because of that, only lot of depression, lot of heart attacks, lot of drug addictions, they are all taking. Because of the pressure in the work. That pressure they are not able to come out. Why? There is no religious life. It's to a solace, to give solace, no religious life. No chanting, no Bhagavan, nothing. That is why they are all having problems. They are prone to get so many diseases. In the name of busy. From morning throughout night till without sleep, they are suffering now. Maximum people are suffering without sleep. அதே பகவான் இருந்த ரிலிஜியஸ் லைஃப் இருந்தால் எவ்வளோ நிம்மதியாக இருக்கும். நீ என்னதான் பண்ண போற? யூ ஆர் த ஓன்லி ஆர்டினரி ஸ்மால் ஃபேக்டர் இன் சோ மெனி திங்ஸ். தேர்ஃபார் இமேஜின். Very difficult to convince the children nowadays. That's why don't take it simply religious life. Puja, punaskaram, ennamo ella old fashion. Not old fashion. This is the spiritual life. Religious life is the only tonic, medicine. That's why till today, India is so hale and healthy in spite of even poverties, militant terrorists. Till today you see this America today, the financial crisis. We are all religious. We are all spiritual in this country. Till maximum people are spiritual. That's why they are surviving happily. Never run after Western culture. Our culture is so great, our religion is so great, and our religious practices are wonderful. That's why please educate your children, otherwise they will suffer tomorrow. You cannot give them health, mental health or physical health. They are already skipping from our hand. Be careful. Take care of their life. When they are suffering, you cannot sleep happily. Our own kith and kin, when they are suffering, how can we live happily? How can we sleep happily? Therefore, hold on to Shastra, religion, God. I trust, Bhagavan says. Shraddhaya hutam dattam alone gives benefit. Don't leave all of them. Do with Shraddha. Never expect results, phalam and all. Be always content. Hold on to God. That's why sthitihi means you can translate it as dhritihi. In the previous verse, sthitihi, you can translate it as dhritihi also. Nischayena. Imagine, fake it and make it. Fake it and make it. Asti asti iti vadatu Shraddha. Shraddha illamal edhum pannadena. Shraddhayoda pannuna. ஒன்றும் பெனிஃபிட் தெரியலையேண்ணா. காயத்ரி மந்திரம் ஒன்றும் பெனிஃபிட் தெரியலையேண்ணா, பண்ணு. ஆஸ்க் யுவர் சில்ட்ரன் டு டூ காயத்ரி ஜப்பா. நெவர் அலோ தெம் டு லீவ் த காயத்ரி. பலம் தெரியாதப்பா, உனக்கு கண்டிப்பாக பலம் வந்துடும். இஃப் யூ லீவ் காயத்ரி டுமாரோ, யூ ஆர் த லூசர். யூ கேனாட் கெயின் ஹியர் ஆஃப்டர் ஆல்சோ. Therefore Lord Krishna says, Satvika tapas, Satvika aharam, Satvika yajna, Satvika danam, all we have to employ into our life. All will lead to what? Guru prapti, jnana yogyata prapti, guru prapti, jnana prapti, moksha prapti. Moksha prapti and another Shanti anartham. You get Shanti. Illenne 5 figure 10 figures சம்பாதிச்சாலும் சாந்தி கிடைக்காது. ஈவன் பணம் இருந்தா கூட அந்த பணம் மூலமா உனக்கு அசாந்தி தான் வரும். பணம் இல்லாட்டாலும் கூட உனக்கு புண்ணியம் இருந்தா சாந்தி கிடைக்கும். நல்லா இருக்கு, இது சீக்ரெட் பாருங்க. That is called Lakshmi. A Lakshmi that which gives Shanti is called Lakshmi. A Lakshmi which takes away my Shanti is not called Lakshmi. It is only simple Dhanam. That Lakshmi, Dhanalakshmi should bring Shanti Lakshmi also. Then your children will give happiness to you. If you don't have Punyam, that Dhanam through your children you get, children will not give Shanti. That's why Santana Lakshmi, when your children give happiness only, Santana Lakshmi, that Ananda Lakshmi. So with this, Lord Krishna concludes. Om Tat Sat. Iti Srimad Bhagavad Gita Su Upanishatsu Brahma Vidyayam Yoga Shastre Shri Krishna Arjuna Samvade Shraddhatraya Vibhaga Yogo Nama Saptadashodhyayah. You can see the first Om Tat Sat. What Bhagavan has elaborated. First, from the first chapter, Bhagavan is this is coming. Vyasa Bhagavan has written Om Tat Sat from the first chapter. But Bhagavan has explained Om Tat Sat in the 17th chapter. நமக்கு தெரியாது ஏன் ஓம் தத் சத் ஓம் தத் சொல்லிட்டு இருக்கேன்னு. So Om Tat Sat, Bhagavan spent 4-5 verses for that. So therefore Arjuna, you do your job here. What? Fighting. அது மறக்க கூடாது. வேதாந்தம் வேதாந்தம் தான். What is your duty? Yoga Shastram means what? Duty. Karma. Do your karma that purifies you. Love your duty first. Develop interest in your duty. And that karma will give chitta shuddhi. Then you come to Brahma. Not only in this Janma, previous decades, even previous karma also coming along with you. Adlo yadadu kurai irunda, what can I do? Therefore say Om Tat Sat. Let me complete 18th chapter also, which is the very biggest chapter. It may take long time. Hey Bhagavan, whole from the first chapter, how many times I have slept in the class, I do not know. I am not criticizing anybody. எத்தனை வாட்டி தூங்கிட்டான்னு தெரியாது, எத்தனை வாட்டி மைண்ட் ஆப்சென்ட் ஆகிடுது தெரியாது கிளாஸில், எத்தனை வாட்டி இரிட்டேஷன் பண்ணிட்டான்னு தெரியாது கிளாஸில், என்னென்ன குறை நடந்ததோ தெரியாது, எத்தனை வாட்டி how many times I have shouted at my family members to come to Gita class, I do not know. Therefore what to say? Om Tat Sat. How many wrong pronunciation I have done in this slokas also I do not know. Correct dane? Om Tat Sat. Let me assimilate the meaning fully. Because of those errors, I should not miss the truth. My errors, Bhagavan has to forgive, excuse. Otherwise, I miss. And always Om Tat Sat. And the mannikkanum kettine irukkanum Bhagavan ketta. Maraka கூடாது. லாஸ்ட்லி அதுதான் கரச்சரண கிருதம் வா காயஜம் கர்மஜம் வா விஹிதம் அவிஹிதம் வா சர்வமேத க்ஷமஸ்வ ஜெய ஜெய கருணாப்தே ஸ்ரீ மகாதேவ சம்போ ஆர் விஷ்ணு ப்ளீஸ் ஃபர்கிவ் மீ. இந்த வினயம் இருக்கணும் மனசுக்குள்ள. ஒரு ப்ரைடு இருக்கக்கூடாது. எனி ரிச்சுவல் எது பண்ணும்போது ஒரு பட்டாட்டோப்பம் கடை இருக்கக்கூடாது, வேனிட்டி இருக்கக்கூடாது, அடக்கத்தோடு பண்ணணும். யூ ஹேவ் டு வெல்கம் த பீப்புள் ஆல்சோ வித் ஹியூமிலிட்டி. யூ ஹாவ் டு சர்வ் தெம் ஆல்சோ ஹியூமிலிட்டி வித் ஹியூமிலிட்டி. Therefore you have to do that way. Upanishatsu Brahma Vidyayam. This is the Karma Shastram and Brahma Shastram. Both are there. Yoga Shastra means Karma Kanda also talked about, and Brahma Vidyayam Upanishatsu. Brahma Vidya is the, what is the essence of Bhagavad Gita? Moksha. One should attain moksha. Moksha prapti eva Bhagavad Gita saramsham. அது எங்கேயோ இருக்க, கீதா சாரம் பண்ணி எங்கேயோ படிச்சிருக்கோம். ஏன்னா நடக்கிறதே நடக்கட்டும், எல்லாமே நல்லதுக்கு தான் நடக்கும், இது பகவத்கீதா சாரம்னு இதை போட்டிருக்கேன். ஸோ டோன்ட் பாதர் அபவுட் ஆல் தோஸ் திங்ஸ். பகவத்கீதா எதுக்காகன்னா மோக்ஷத்துக்காக. ஸோ டைலாக் பிட்வீன் whom and whom, not between my Swamini and myself, between Krishna Arjuna Samvada. Who is telling to whom? Sanjay is telling to Dhritarashtra. In which text it has taken place? Mahabharata. Nama Saptadasha Adhyaya, 17th chapter. Thus it is concluded. 17th chapter over. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavasishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shantihi. Harihi Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.